This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling Circle to Search and positioning the screen where gestures are accepted. Once enabled, place the app or launcher in view and rest one finger lightly on the display. Draw a single, continuous circular motion, neither too fast nor too slow, because the system analyzes curvature and stroke duration. As you complete the circle, hold for a fraction of a second to let recognition trigger. If the circle is incomplete, repeat with slightly larger radius until the system confirms input. Once the circle registers, you'll refine how the gesture maps to search. Make your loop smooth and roughly 1 to 2 inches across. This scale tends to match recognition thresholds. If the system misinterprets, try starting at the center and spiraling outward once, which helps sensors detect intent. You can also end the circle with a quick tap inside to limit scope to current app or web. Make sure to practice varying speed. Consistency improves accuracy over time. To finish, wait for the visual confirmation before entering text or voice. This avoids accidental commands. If the search didn't start, simply redo the circle with a slightly larger radius and steadier motion. For repeated failures, recalibrate gestures in settings or restart the app to reset recognition models. Also verify permissions. Mic, search, and motion sensors must be allowed for full functionality. If problems persist after recalibration, reboot the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.